All right, looks like we got our ingredients ready to go on the pan for our 1-sheet chicken dish. What are you putting on first?
Peppers.
And next,
Cauliflower.
there's a fork there to help with the chicken, which I believe is next. Excellent. There is our marinade in that small bowl, and the brush, if you want to just brush that all over the chicken, that would be fantastic. That's it. Move the chicken around. Get some of those pieces underneath. And then after you're finished brushing that all on, then we will drizzle some olive oil over the cauliflower and the red peppers. So what we're doing here is making one dish, but we're going to create 2 meals from this dish. We have chicken thigh, cauliflower, and pepper. We're going to put that in the oven here shortly. There's quite a bit of chicken thigh there because we're going to use half the chicken thigh with pita shells and lettuce and cucumber and tzatziki here for supper tonight. And then in a few days, we'll use the other half of the chicken thigh with the roasted cauliflower and roasted pepper and make rice bowls.